Honestly, that's happening more and more. So when is the last time you asked Siri to dial your business?
Coach Christian, and she believes the greatest investment you can make is building a better community. If you elect Dr. K as your confidence builder and straighter smile expert, you will always get her very best 5-star service.
We founded the first welding school ever in the state of Arkansas back in 2013, right here in Pottsville. Our main goal here is to train the most highly sought after welders entering into this field of trade.
We're stuck here in the boat warehouse, and we're teaming up with Memphis Boat Expo and going to be bringing you all the top brands in the Mid-South area.